Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy NFT Champions, okay? It's a video game that will be released really soon. There are a lot of videos about it and everything that you need to know about it to make your own decision. Check it out and then decide if you want to get into it or not. As you can see here, it's in an uptrend right now, but if we got back to 3 months period, you can see it's still low compared to the all-time high, the recent one. And the game is very promising. If you checked videos or articles about the game or the whole ecosystem of the game. Okay, so let's head to the market. As you can see here, the contract, it's on Polygon. The game is on Polygon and the token is on Polygon network. And for that, you can see on the market here, QuickSwap is Polygon DEX. So if you want to use that, I'm lazy, so I got it on Gate.io. It also has many other tokens on there, so I use it a lot. And for people that don't mind using it, like QuickSwap, I'm just lazy to go through the bridge and swap my tokens from Binance Smart Chain into the Polygon, so I just got to use Gate.io. All right, and here is Gate.io. It's pretty simple and easy, same as KuCoin and Binance. If you don't have an account, there is a link in the description. Use it, create an account, super easy. Then after creating your account, go to wallet and then deposit. So here, depending on what coins that you have or crypto that you got, here choose the coin that you want to deposit, search here and choose it, and make sure to use the same network or chain that you're willing to use on the other platform that you are willing to withdraw from. Okay, so if you are using any other networks than these here on the other platform to withdraw from, like let's say you're using Binance and you got the option to use Binance Smart Chain on there to withdraw, you have to select the same network on here too. Okay, so you can get your assets into here. Okay, it will take 10 minutes to 15 minutes. After that, you'll get your assets in here, then go to trade and spot trading. Here, depending on what asset you have deposited, if you have deposited anything other than USDT, you need to convert it to USDT. So how to do that is just go to here and let's say you have deposited ADA, then choose the coin you have selected paired with USDT. Now scroll down here, you will see the amount of that crypto you've got on your account. In here you can click on it to sell the whole amount and it gets selected, or use these here if you want to just select an amount that like 50% or 100% or 75 depending on you. Okay, and this is the current market price. You can choose from here and then click sell and you will get USDT. Okay, now let's head here to buy champ or NFT champions. So just type in champ and as you can see, this is it, and paired with USDT. Now scroll down, you will find your balance of USDT in here that you've just got from selling the token you have deposited. So you can again just click on here and it will select the whole amount to buy with on your balance, the whole amount that you've got on your balance to buy with it this crypto or whatever crypto that you want to buy. Okay, or you can again select the amount that you want in here. All right, and in here you can choose the current market price and put it in here, or you can select from here. So these here are calls put by people that want to buy with a lower price than the current market price. Okay, all it gets lower, and for these here are people that want to sell with a higher price than the current one. Okay, and it gets higher. So just if you want to get like a better price and bargain, you can select one of these and it will automatically get applied into your call here. All right, but just make sure you don't go lower, because who knows, the market might go higher and it will never go low to the call that you've put in there and your call will stuck there. But you can always get to here and cancel it and put your call again. All right, so just click on this one here, which is reasonable, and here it got applied automatically, and put in the amount which is here or here and then click buy. All right, and you will find it in here. And if you see that it doesn't go through because of the price change, you can always cancel and pour another call again. Okay, and after it goes through, you will find it on your wallet and spot account. Alright, so this is it. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.